Buongiorno and buona domenica from Lipari, one of the Aeolian Islands. We're here on a tour with our Legends travelers. They've been here not once, not twice, but multiple times, and this is their first time in Lipari. See what we ate, what they think of Lipari, a little bit of what we saw, and wait until you see one of the most beautiful sunsets I've ever seen. Come with us to Lipari.
You're so beautiful.
All right, we're going to start out with the eggplant parmigiana with tomatoes, eggplant, grano, and tomato. It looks beautiful. This presentation right here, you can't go wrong. What do you think? Was it good?
Absolutely delicious.
Now, did you say this was one of the best you've ever had?
It definitely is one of the best I've ever had.
Wow.
And I'm enjoying it with another seconds.
Salute a tutti. Next, we have eggplant meatballs. Yes, meatballs for everything. And on top is the ricotta salata infornata. That means it's been in the oven. Looks fantastic.
This little guy, this is a eggplant meatball. Eggplant meatball. No meat. I'm going to tell you how it tastes in 1 second, okay? Let's see.
You got one there and I've got one here.
Damn tasty. Yum. No meat meatball. Awesome.
Tuna right here. Let me see the other one. And it looks like it is. Can you open that up, Joe? It looks like it's medium rare. So that's the way I like it. Put a little olive oil and lemon. I've been looking forward to this right here. Tuna steak. Coming right from the Tyrrhenian Sea. You can see it's medium rare. A little bit of lemon. This is not tuna out of a can. Let me tell you. This is delicious. Today we're having sausage. And when you come to Sicily, you must try one of these sausages, the thin ones, and get them bruciato, nice and burned. See this right here? This is a grilled salsiccia sausage. This is semplice, simple. Salt, pepper, nothing else. Now here in Sicily, they also have with the fennel or with the tomatoes and parsley. Sausage and potatoes go hand in hand, and of course these are with rosemary. They boil them here first, then they bake them. That's what makes them so special. Delicious. So if you love meat, sausage, baked potatoes, that's for you. This is how we do it, family style. Everyone takes for themselves and we sit around and talk and eat and drink and be merry in Sicily.
Hey, we're at the island of Lipari and we're getting a pizza. 1 bite. Everybody knows the rules. Sicilian pizza.
I get annoyed when I do that. Sometimes I don't know what to go. Oh, and Tom's got... He has his own personal...
Better than the island. I'm giving you this a 7.5 out of 10. Not bad.
What do you think of dinner?
I think there was too much food myself, but I'll tell you what I never had before, Esther. The eggplant meatballs with no meat. They were unbelievable.
Listen, on our tours, there are always too much food, but hey, that's what you have to do. Eat and drink and be merry.
You're darn right. Tonight was great.
This is just a great town to hang out, walk around after dinner. It's September, so believe it or not, it's still a little bit humid. Get a gelato. Just walk. Salina, Filicudi, Alicudi, and there's sunset. Okay, this video does not do it justice, I'm telling you right now. Imagine just sitting here, relaxing by the calm sea with the islands, and slowly watching the sunset. And then the next day, the sun rises. How beautiful. Sunrise on the other side. Que bello. And here's the crew. Ciao, crew. This is how we do it. Pizza margarita. And how we end the night is just like that, with a dolce. And let me show you the pool at the hotel that we're staying at. It is probably one of the biggest pools I've ever seen at a hotel. It just goes on and on. And imagine yourself sitting here having a Campari in Lipari. September 2026, this will be our base. Also in Giardini Naxos. Alfred and I are looking forward to seeing you here in Sicily. All the information is at www.youmeandsicily.com. Hope to see you in Sicily soon. Ciao. Christine, one of our seasoned travelers, been with us now the 7th time.
This is, I think, my 7th time with you.
And here we are in Lipari, and look at the beautiful necklace she just got at our shop. You guys have seen my white one. This is your first time in Lipari. What did you think?
I love it. We definitely want to come back to the Aeolian Islands and maybe do some other islands. But Lipari has its own history, and it's got its own charm, and I love it. I love it. It's small. It's not too big, but not too small. I especially like that each region and each town has its own specialties. And here in the Aeolian Islands, the capers are plentiful, and that's their main export. So I definitely had the capers and the pane canzatu, which they do have in Sicily now, but I think they started taking from the Aeolian Islands. So we have all the local foods that are slightly different than the mainland Sicily foods.
Say brava, grazie.
Grazie.
This is Bea and her husband, Don. One of our legend travelers, been with us several times since 2018, and want to know, what do you think of Lipari? First time here.
Una bella isola.
A beautiful island.
It is absolutely gorgeous. And sometimes some of the views, I was just in the lobby earlier this morning, and the views from the windows in the lobby and the terrace are absolutely breathtaking. Every place we've gone to, it's just one other beautiful view after another, whether you're down by the marina or you're just in the downtown area, and the flowers, just everything. It's absolutely beautiful. And I can't think of another word to describe it.
I love it. And the foods?
Excellent. Don just had more eggplant parmesan. He was still looking for more, and he's raving about that also. Everything is fresh. It's good. No complaints here.
Happy you guys are back.
Yeah, it's beautiful. We love being by the water too, so this is just perfect.
Imagine yourself here with us. I mean, we're just no, but plain old Joe. And what do we have here? The Aeolian pasta with pesto.
Really? I took a few.
And there's your Aeolian salad with tuna, capers, eggs, and even croutons. And there's our Aeolian caponata. Dopo cena.
Dopo cena è fantastico.
Fantastico. It's a bitter. Okay. Here we are with Tom and Karen, legend travelers and good friends of ours. First time in Lipari. What do you guys think?
Beautiful. Nice place. Blaze place to relax and see the area, and there's history, and there's good food, and the only thing you haven't done much of is I've got a great pool over here and haven't used in it.
Your impressions?
Beautiful island. Very friendly, very clean. Love the sun, love the shores. Nice sights.
Will you guys come back?
Without a doubt.
I guess it's without a doubt.
I'm coming with you guys.
Okay.
Thank you so much. We love you guys.
Thank you.
Okay, that's us. We're on the Gabriele. Next, we're going to go to Cefalù to also see some of the things that we ate, really top-notch food. People still swimming. It's about 5 o'clock, and it is a good 80 degrees in here.
You know, I have to show you this restaurant here. When you come to Cefalù, you have to come to this place called El Gabbiano. The owner's name is Natale. Flat out, one of the best restaurants in Cefalù, in my opinion. Okay, prices are great. Swordfish, chicken, you name it. You will love this place. Okay, I counted 200 people here right now, and everybody's like smacking their lips. Beautiful night in Cefalù. It's a mob scene, and if you join us, guess what? We'll take you here. Ciao.
Now that's an antipasta place. Now that looks good. Oh my gosh. What do you think, B? Good? Penne with the vegetable. Risotto frutta de mare, che buono. The pesce spada messinese with the onions, tomatoes. There should have some raisins and capers. All right, so here are my mussels that are unbelievable. We got the Milano, the Margarita. There's Dan. What did you get?
Francescana.
What the heck is that?
It sounded good. I don't remember already.
What? You got a steak?
No, pork chops.
Oh, Alfred is.
Agnello. I'm sorry, lamb chops.
Oh, Alfred is gonna be shitting his pants.
So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to introduce you to our pal Joe. He's the world champion muscle eater. This little skinny guy right here cleaned his plate out, cleaned that plate out, and now he's going to have a little bit of bread before the main event. Meanwhile, usually the defending champ Joe was just a little bit off his game tonight. Seriously, we've had a great time with this group. This is our Legends group. We're going to be doing another Legends 2 next year, which we will announce soon. And okay, I'm at the Victoria Palace Gelateria, Cefalù. And this is the hit flavor, gelato flavor that is, of the summer. It's called Zuppa di Inglesi. Soup of the English. Really what it is custard. Now, in Catania, they put chocolate in here, and the The color yellow is a little bit different than this, but you know, when you're over on the other side of away from Cadani, everything is a little bit different. And a brioche, of course, a nice brioche that you have with your granita or with your gelato. So I'm going to enjoy this, but I wanted to show you the smash hit of the summer, zuppa di inglese.
Are you enjoying this type of programming? Well, consider joining our community. What's our community? If you hit the join down below for $1.99 or $2.99, you just help support this channel so we can bring you more videos from all over Sicily. Thank you for those of you who are already members. And by the way, do you like my nifty new shirt? If you love Sicily, if you love lemons, we've got many more of these in our shop. Also aprons, little bags, and mugs. Tons of stuff for you. Grazie mille.
All right, this is our last night here, and I selected two of our most favorite people, Lane and Jackie. They're having something special over here. Jackie, what are you having here?
I am having the pesto with pistachio.
The pistachio pesto.
Yes.
With a little bit of cheese on top of it?
Yes.
And how is it? How did you...
It's excellent.
Have you ever had that before?
I have never had this before.
Okay.
You can taste the pistachios.
Perfect.
It's a nice creamy sauce, and the pasta is cooked perfectly.
Lane, what are you having there? Oh!
I am having the pork ragu. It's absolutely delicious.
Is it? Yeah?
Nice, smooth tomato base.
I want to ask you a question here, because I know you're an avid golfer. The next time you come, which I hope there will be a next time, will you let us take you to Picciolo up in Castiglione di Sicilia, so we can get your opinion of that as well?
Yes. We would love to
All right.
go golfing.
I hope to see you guys back here again.
We'll bring our clubs.
Travis, one of my favorite people in this whole world. What did you have tonight, buddy?
I'm having the pork ragu as well, and it's very delicious. A little bit of fennel in there, very good.
Let me ask you a question. I heard you raving about the appetizers that you had.
The appetizer
Chris,
plate
this is
was
his beautiful
outstanding.
wife, Chris, what did you guys have over here for appetizers?
We had caponata, we had potato cakes, we had parmigiana, we had the best bietola, we had, what else did we have? We had maybe one other thing. One or two other things. Plus we had the grilled vegetables. It was awesome. It was enough. That would be enough for me, frankly.
The food is great.
99 glasses of wine, that'd be fine. Yeah.
Tonight I'm having the Simpletonian stuff because I'm a simple guy. Pasta alla olio e aglio. And set among a beautiful setting over here at residence in Arcitrezza, our home base. I'm glad we're back here. This is our group eating away, and we'll see you later, alligator. Ciao.
Lipari and the Aeolian Islands, along with Giardini Naxos as our base, will be our September 2026 tours. Of course, we have tours in May and June and October. All of those are on our website, www.youmeandsicily.com. Hey, listen, we will be back in Acitrezza, our home base, and I can't wait next week. Until then, have a great day, great week, and we'll see you on another episode of You, Me, and Sicily. Ching ching, arrivederci. Ciao.